Welcome to Sister's Kitchen. This is my sister Kim.
This is my sister Jamie.
And we are live in Rutledge, Tennessee on Cherokee Lake.
This is the Survivor Series.
Kayaking edition.
Synchronized
kayaking. Synchronized kayaking. Oh yeah, here we go. Yep, I'm going.
Come on, sister, I got you.
I'm going.
I got you, sister. Come on.
Yep, here we go.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Come on, sister.
Oh yeah. I got it now.
Whoa,
Yep.
here you go.
I got it now. I got it. I got your back. Oh yeah. As you can see, no life jacket.
Oh.